So the Rode Wireless Micro is another seriously impressive wireless kit from Rode. Costs about $150. You could use it either with an iPhone or an Android phone, and the audio that you get with this is really first class. So the setup is super portable. It weighs less than 100 grams. It'll fit in the palm of your hand, and it's just one of the wee pieces of kit that you could carry with you pretty much anywhere. Like if you carry around any sort of bag, it'll just fit in there, you know, pretty much like your earbuds will as well. So you could have this on you at all times, perfect for grabbing on-the-go recordings, and you know, especially if you're a video creator as well, this is just a really good way to ensure that you're getting first-class audio along with your visuals as well. So that's the Rode Wireless Micro, another brilliant addition to Rode's wireless stable, and another fantastic option for the on-the-go creator.